For the purpose of this assignment, I decided to use Google Classroom with the intention of also using it in September for my pre-K class. Now, in fall or in September, we will be doing blended learning and also just remote learning as well in our school. It will be one of the three options available. So I wanted to really familiarize myself on how I can use Classroom for my pre-K class moving forward. A lot of the things I really, as you see moving forward, are not something that I was familiar with. So I decided to really focus in on literacy for this assignment and break it up into letters. In pre-K, we do not teach the letters in order. So it would really be the letter of the day, which would determine the assignment which they would click on. Now, the letter of the day will be mentioned in the email, and then parents can open this up as they go. And here we are. I just wanted to give you a demo of one of the letters, which is the letter A. Now, I used a Bitmoji to make it more personal and really give students a feel of being in the classroom, even though it's a stretch, but as much as I could to just give them a feel of the classroom environment. Now, this is what our classroom actually looks like, minus the smartboard, and it took me a long time to figure out how to add these hyperlinks into even though we have been using hyperlinks into the Google Doc. And I really pushed myself with, I guess, the creativity as much as I could to make it a personalized experience for our students in pre-K. Now, for the letter A, this is something that I added to every slide, every first initial slide. Is there access to Starfall, ABC, yeah.com, and then the letters of the alphabets in the corner on the blackboard. Now also, as you see on the smartboard, there are different websites, and each of them is for a different purpose. So one is to sound out the letters, which focuses on the letters and sounds, and the other one is to practice writing. And this is really the goal of this lesson plan or this unit, is for students to be able to identify, to recognize, to sound out, and to write the letters as they go along. So each of these, let's go back, each of these Google Docs or slides are with that intention, and they're personalized to the letter at hand. Now, I also went ahead and in the literacy lesson plan, this is a lesson plan that I kind of really bounced off of or jumped off of the whole slides with, and it was about the book Chica Chica Boom Boom, and I used Blendspace for the first time here, which was really straightforward, and I used it to really map out the lesson plan that I worked from and added different things such as the theories behind it and why this is beneficial for our students at this age group. Now, in addition to Blendspace, I also used Edpuzzle, and in Edpuzzle I explained the importance of really using letters to identify the names, and if you want you can go ahead and watch this video. And in Edpuzzle I added the video as the content for using this media. Now to go back to our classroom, so our literacy lesson plan is here, and then this would be the entire presentation for the letters, and I think moving forward it would be really useful and helpful for our students. I know this is kind of the unconventional use of technology, and I haven't used all of the websites such as Nearpod in this, but it took me a really long time and a lot of figuring out to put this together, and I think the purpose of this class is to really push ourselves in terms of using technology for our classroom space. I hope that you enjoyed listening. At the very end, which would be the closure of it, in addition to practice as they go along, are really the overall accumulation of some of the videos that they can kind of just, students can reach to as they identify the letters. After Z, I have over here available all of the different letters, and then over here I went ahead and made an extension of it. So this way, parents can access the whole file at once if they wanted to, or they can do a letter at a time. And I really would recommend parents to do a letter at a time because we wouldn't want to overwhelm our pre-K students. But I also want to give them access to the finished product, so this way they can work at their convenience. Thank you so much for listening.